Hello, my name is Anna and welcome to The Economical Housewife. Here we discuss how to reduce the cost of living while maintaining an efficient and effective home to make time for the things and people we love. Today we are discussing cleaning products. I thought I was being very efficient with my cleaning products and minimal and inexpensive. I wasn't. I was being more inexpensive than I could have been. I definitely wasn't splurging. What I realized the more I researched into this was that I could cut a lot on cleaning products. So I thought I'd make a video on how you guys can cut a lot on cleaning products. Okay, so without further ado, cleaning products. So what I realized was I do not need bleach. I do not need Pledge, I do not need disinfectant spray, I don't need dusting spray, I don't need Comet, I don't need toilet bowl cleaner. What else don't I need? Pretty much all of the cleaning products in the cleaning product aisle except for like 2. So, okay. There's gonna be a couple caveats here because they're for specific things, but general purpose cleaners, what I need vinegar and dish soap. That's about it. Yeah, vinegar and dish soap. Who knew, right? One exception, I also need rubbing alcohol, but you're not going to find that in the cleaning product aisle, and that is strictly for kitchen use. So, what I found is, in order to clean my bathroom, all I need is vinegar and dish soap. Vinegar gets rid of the hard water buildup, the rust buildup, and cuts through grease in my bathroom, and I can use it on my mirror for a streak-free clean. It's great. I've been learning a lot of this stuff from Clean My Space. It's another YouTube channel, but there's some other moms that talk about this stuff. I really like that in Clean My Space she keeps it very minimal with the cleaning products you need. That's also very nice, but I am not really talking about how to clean. I might, if you want to see videos like that, you can tell me, and I will make some. But if you want to see me clean my house, that is a lot less nice than her cleaning her house because she has a gorgeous house. So if you want to see cleaning videos on how to use these products, Clean My Space is a great YouTube channel for that, and I really appreciate her videos, and they're amazing. That being said, we're just talking about the budget-friendly aspect of this. So she does a lot of vinegar, dish soap, rubbing alcohol. She has a few extra things that I don't think I need to buy. They're great for what they do, but I don't need to buy them because they're not as cost efficient as they could be. So vinegar is great, as I said, and then dish soap is great for cutting through any grease or grime in your bathtub. Vinegar is great for getting rid of the mold and mildew as well, and I also pour the vinegar into the toilet as a toilet bowl cleaner. So I don't need any of the other products. I just don't. So we've got our glass surfaces dealt with, we got our tub dealt with, we got our toilet dealt with. The floor, you could do either vinegar or dish soap. Just don't do a ton of dish soap because you'll have suds everywhere. I think probably spraying it down with vinegar is better because it's not sudsy. But either work. And if you have grease issues on your floor, which would be weird if you did in your bathroom, but it could be a thing, then use the dish soap for sure. Same thing in the kitchen, except for one caveat. And I want to tell you something. Don't mix, you can mix the dish soap with the vinegar, fine. You can just mix the dish soap with rubbing alcohol, fine. I'm not sure you can mix dish soap and rubbing alcohol together. Or not dish soap, sorry. I'm not sure you can mix vinegar and rubbing alcohol together. That could create a bad reaction, so look it up. I haven't found a need to mix them though. Just keep them separate. Also, if you do use bleach, do not let it close to vinegar. That is a bad idea, and definitely do not mix vinegar with ammonia stuff. I guess what I'm saying is don't mix chemicals unless you really know what they do with each other. You could create an explosion or chloroform yourself. So maybe don't do that. Just a thought, unless you actually have researched it. But on their own, they're great cleaning products. I don't see why you'd need to mix anything more than dish soap with vinegar or something like that. So cleaning my sink, the vinegar is great for getting off the hard water, gets rid of any rust stains, and cuts through grease. Dish soap also cuts through grease really well. And I just mix dish soap with water and wash everything down. Wooden cabinets, I mean, as long as you're not saturating them in water, they should be fine to have like a quick wipe down. You can also spray them with the vinegar. Just don't let chemicals sit on the wood or water sit on the wood. That's where you really come into issues. But like your regular wood dusting spray doesn't get off like grease splatters from like cooking. So you're gonna have to wash it down anyway. Yeah. Okay. Bathroom, kitchen, cleaning. Around the house, okay, windows, that's vinegar. And then dusting surfaces, just like dust with a microfiber washcloth dry. And then the one caveat is if you do have a lot of wood or if you have granite, you might need to get a polish for those. So if you have both wood, granite, and then your regular cleaning routine, you should have five products. And why I include, or not vinegar, why I include rubbing alcohol is because the rubbing alcohol kills salmonella and E. coli, whereas vinegar is so-so. It like sometimes will and sometimes won't. There's a lot of conflicting evidence on that. That's why I include rubbing alcohol. I would rather not have bleach in my home if I'm going to use vinegar for a lot of stuff because those things should not be combined. So if I have vinegar all over the place and then I go in to clean with bleach, like I might accidentally mix them and I'd just rather not deal with that prospect. So what I'm trying to say is you don't need that many products. Just like use up the other products. Obviously don't throw them out unless like they're really toxic for you, then maybe throw them out. But you don't need a ton of cleaning products to get the job done efficiently and effectively and very quickly. I have found that dish soap and vinegar clean way better than like every other product that was intended to clean a toilet or a tub. Like way better. I was so impressed when I started doing this. I just, mind blown. Like it used to take me a really long time to scrub my tub. I don't scrub my tub anymore. I just gently wipe it out and the product cleans it for me. It literally, the dish soap creates this distension with the oils where it just naturally, like when it comes in contact with the grime and stuff, it just kind of starts becoming more moldable and like falling apart. So the grime just wipes off really easy and then you can just rinse your tub and it's amazing. I'm getting out of breath. I don't know why. That's been happening a lot and I don't know why. Okay. That's better. Yeah, so cleaning supplies you need: vinegar, dish soap, rubbing alcohol for just like spraying things down that might have salmonella or E. coli on it. And then if you have a ton of wood, a wood polish, and if you have like granite or some other stone, where you can't use vinegar on stone, by the way. So if you have like stone or unfinished metal, you might need something for that. But rubbing alcohol is great to clean metal and probably stone too. Or you could just wipe it with dish soap. I don't know. Anyway, I will go on the computer and show you like the price comparison per ounce, per fluid ounce. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. Comment below if you have a favorite cleaning product that you just can't give up, or maybe you've tried these cleaning products and you found that they're very effective. Tell me, let me know. Maybe you like Clean My Space. Go over, visit her channel. It's awesome. I have watched it a lot. She has gotten a lot of views out of me. So anyway, have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Bye.